Want to use WhatsApp without sharing your personal number? Or need a second number just for your business? With Calilio, you can now use WhatsApp without a new SIM card or phone. Keep your personal and business chats separate. Reach local customers in different countries and manage multiple numbers on a single device. Learn how to get a second WhatsApp number from over 100 countries using Calilio quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to Calilio.com. Click Get Started to sign up. Fill in your details, name, email, and password. Then, check your email for a verification code. Enter the code to complete your sign-up. Pick a monthly or yearly subscription plan that fits your needs. Select your preferred payment option and fill billing details to activate your account. Once your account is ready, you'll see the Calilio Dashboard. Go to Settings and click My Number. Go to Add a new number. Let's pick a UK number. Choose the type of number as your requirement: local, mobile, or toll-free. Then select your desired UK number from the list. Then click Checkout to confirm your purchase, and you're all set. Now, use this number to verify WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp and tap Agree and Continue. Enter your Calilio virtual number. You'll get a verification code, OTP, in the Calilio app. Open the app and check your inbox and enter the code on WhatsApp. Add your name and profile picture, and you're done. For a business account, simply download WhatsApp Business. Enter your virtual number or choose Use a different number if you already have a personal account. Once verified, set up your business profile with your details and you're ready to connect with customers. And that's it. Setting up a virtual number for WhatsApp is easy with Calilio. Enjoy the benefits of virtual numbers for both personal and business use. Visit Calilio.com today to get started.